Everyone. Now we are going to do notes of chapter 2 biology. These notes are short. If you want to add more information in your notes, I recommend you to add some more because these are very short and crisp notes, and if you want to add, you can really add in it from your book what you feel is important. And I have told you all the important things in my video of chapter 2 that I have made in 4 parts. You all must watch that parts and understand what is important, what is not, and then proceed further with your studies. Now, notes of chapter 2, these are very short and crisp notes. Let's start. Biology chromosome important notes. Okay. Now, what are chromosomes? Chromosomes play a vital role in hereditary variation and evolutionary development of the species. They were discovered by German scientist Walter Fleming in 1882 in the rapidly dividing cells of larvae of salamander and amphibian. Each chromosome has a centromere which holds together the two sister chromatids. Chromatin is formed of DNA, that is 40%, histones, that is a type of protein, that is 60% in chromatin fiber. DNA stands with around a core of 8 histone molecules. This complex is known as nucleosome. DNA is a macromolecule because it is very large, composed of two complementary strands twisted around each other. A nucleotide is made of a phosphate deoxyribose ribose sugar and nitrogenous base. Means it is made up of three things. Nucleotide, first is phosphate, second is deoxyribose sugar, and third is nitrogenous base. There are 4 nitrogenous bases, that is adenine, cytosine, thymine, and guanine. For your information, means it is very important to know that adenine pairs with thymine with 2 hydrogen bonds, and cytosine pairs with guanine with 3 hydrogen bonds. This is very important. Okay, this also you have to add. Formation of new DNA occurs by the process of replication of DNA. Okay, this all I have explained in my parts video of chapter 2. That is a must to watch that video. These notes will be helpful if you watch that part first too, because that part I have told each and everything that is important in these notes. Not each and everything I have covered because these are short and crisp notes at last to revise. Okay, cell division is a process by which a mature cell divides and form daughter cells which resemble the parent cell in several characteristics. Phases of cell cycle. Cell cycle consists of long non-dividing interphase and short dividing mitotic phase or M phase. Interphase. In interphase, cells grow in size, volume, and prepare for next cell division, that is also called as resting phase. Is a non-dividing phase. It is not a dividing phase. It is also known as resting phase. Mitosis. Mitosis is the division of somatic cells. Somatic cells means vegetative cells or body cells that we have studied in differentiate between mitosis and meiosis. Just remember if you have studied this chapter before, in which two identical daughter cells are produced by the division of one parent cell. Mitosis is also known as equational division or somatic cell division because during the process daughter cells receive an equal number of chromosomes in mitosis, but in meiosis we have studied that daughter cells receive only half the number of chromosomes. That if you have 46, only 23 will be received, and in mitosis if you have 46, all the 46 will be received. And the division occurs in the body cells or somatic cells. Mitosis consists of following phases, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. These are two phases. Now meiosis. Meiosis is the cell division in which each daughter cell receives half set of chromosome. Hence in meiosis, haploid daughter cells, that is N, are formed from a diploid parent cell, that is 2N. Therefore meiosis is also known as reductional division. Significance of meiosis. There are many more points given in your book. You may add that also if you have to remember more. The original number of chromosome is restored. Meiosis provides variation in next generation. Meiosis provides the basis for evolution. This is difference between mitosis and meiosis. These are only 4. If you want more, you can just take it out from your book and write it, add it down. Just pause the video and write these notes, okay, in your notebook. Karyokinesis occurs in 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. All this are given here. Cytokinesis also, all these things are given. Just read it. Prophase. During prophase, chromatin fibers condense and thick chromosomes are visible. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappear. Pair of centrioles duplicates and spindle apparatus starts forming. Metaphase. Chromosomes are arranged on the metaphase plate or equatorial plate. Anaphase, centromere divides and sister chromatids separate from each other. Spindle fibers contract and pull chromatids towards opposite pole. Telophase, spindle apparatus disappears, chromosomes become thin and turn into chromatin fiber, and nuclear membrane and nucleoli reappear that were not there earlier. Cytokinesis. The furrow continues to deepen in the segments if the two cells are like this attached. Here the furrow deepening starts so that they are again different means if they are attached here they are different. One daughter cell, second daughter cell, and finally divides the cytoplasm forming two new daughter cells. In plant cells, cell plate appears at the equatorial plane. Significance of mitosis: 3 points are given. If you want to add more, you can. A very big thank you to reach the end of this video. In this video, I have covered crisp and short notes of chapter 2, that was structure of chromosomes, cell cycle, and cell division. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section below. And this notes, you should practice it writing and add some points from your textbook also. I recommend you. Till then, subscribe, and most importantly, press the bell icon. That is very important. If you press the bell icon, you will get the notification whenever I upload my new video. Subscribe and then press the bell icon, and also hit the like button if you like the video and found this notes little also helpful for you. Thank you all.